Hey there, welcome. Today we're diving into a common problem that many programmers face when dealing with multiple files in a folder. The *** problem. *** we're tackling today is how to read and execute code on every file in a folder after using os.listdir to open them. Now let's delve into the *** solution. ***. By following the provided code snippet, you can effectively read and process each file in the directory. First, define the base underscore path to point to your folder. Next, create a list of file names in the directory, ensuring only files are included. Then, generate the absolute paths to these files. Finally, iterate through each file path, open the file with the specified encoding, and apply your logic to process the content. This systematic approach ensures you can work with all files seamlessly. To wrap it all up, we've covered a nifty solution to efficiently handle multiple files within a folder. Remember, with the right approach, managing and processing files programmatically can be a breeze. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more coding tips, and drop a witty comment below. Happy coding, and until next time.